Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial on accessing and understanding DegreeWorks as a graduate student.
To access DegreeWorks, first log into your Web Banner account. Then click the Student Services tab on the top of your screen.
Next, click on the Student Academic Profile link. In the Brock Portal screen, click on the DegreeWorks link.
Once you have accessed DegreeWorks, you will see your personal information, including your name, student ID, GPA, and your advisor. If you have not been assigned an advisor, and if there is no advisor listed, contact your graduate program director. If you do not know who this is, their information can be found on your graduate program page on the SUNY Brockport website.
Your degree audit contains information regarding program courses and requirements for degree completion. Incomplete courses are indicated by a hollow red circle. This means in order to graduate, you will need to register for the course in the coming semester, take the course, and receive a qualifying grade to satisfy the degree requirement. In-progress courses are indicated by a blue half-filled circle. This means you are either currently taking the course or are registered for it in the following semester. Once a course is complete, you will see a green circle with a check mark inside. The grade and number of credits earned for the course can be found here and here.
If you have earned any transfer credits, they will be indicated on your degree audit as graduate transfer credit. Transfer credits need to be approved by your academic department before being added to your degree audit.
Your academic department may require trainings or other learning experiences outside of traditional academic courses. These will be displayed on your degree audit and may include additional completion information.
Near the bottom of your degree audit, courses for which you received a failing grade are displayed. The failing grade means the course was excluded from your progress toward degree completion, and you will need to repeat the course for credit. The E indicates the course was completed, but no credit was earned. Until a course has been repeated, a grade of E will be factored into the overall GPA. Any repeated courses will be indicated in the repeated column with a Y. An I before grade indicates that the course was incomplete for the enrollment semester, but completed in the following semester.
Lastly, all in-progress or pre-registered courses for the upcoming semester will be displayed at the bottom of your degree audit and will indicate which semester and year you are taking it.
If something on your DegreeWorks seems concerning or does not match the progress you have made in your program, reach out to your advisor for support and clarification. For additional support, please reach out to the Center for Graduate Studies at gradadmit@brockport.edu. Thanks!